Hi everyone. Today I want to do a little update on these speakers. Now I will be restoring these speakers. This series will be coming soon of restoring my big Sony SST552 AV speakers. Now the reason why I'm restoring these I'm actually going to hook it up with the rest of my sound system. I got amplifier here, amplifier there. These two are Panasonics. Yeah. This is the Panasonic AV control receiver, SA-HT60. This one here is the Panasonic SA-HT840, along with a giant subwoofer and two front surround speakers and a center channel and two rear surround speakers. There it is right there. That's it right there. So yeah. This what actually controls the bass for my subwoofer here, my 10-inch sub. I will be fitting two more of these into these cabinets here. I will be upgrading the mid-range and a tweeter. If you look in there, yeah, man. If you look in there, see the mid-range and a tweeter up top. The mid-range isn't connected. Sorry. Like I said, I am upgrading these. We got two Kenwood tweeters here. These ones are really good. This is a mid-range Wolferdale. I got the subwoofer somewhere, but it's buried. It's in storage. If you'll excuse me a minute. I'll whip this bad boy off. There we go. So yeah, I got the first unit here, ready to be thinged up, and yeah, I'm actually looking for some covers for these as well as soon as they're done. Sorry about the speaker cuts down there. That's when I've been doing this blowing speaker video. Yeah, this is actually a cone off a little speaker. This is actually a cone. I will take it off the old drivers and hoover these things out. Although they are in pretty good condition, and that is the crossover unit for it. I got no idea what the blue. I think this is the woofer, or I think this is for the tweeter. I don't know. I can't remember. Yeah, I can't remember. I might have to upgrade these things as well because we're terrible quality. Yeah. Like I said, I'll be removing the old drivers here. Removing that. This actually moves like a woofer. And I'll be getting some proper tweeters. You watch, look. It moves like an actual driver. So, yeah. This is an actual woofer here. Yeah. This is a 4-inch. This is a 3-inch. And it's going to fit a 10-inch sub in there. I'm going to get 2 more of these. One for each unit. Acoustic suspension. 3-way speaker system by Sony. I have Sony are amazing as well. They're pretty good. And yeah, I will be placing them somewhere. I don't know where I'm actually going to place them, but these walls are actually for the covers. I don't have them anymore because they were wearing out. They were torn, so yeah, that's about it for this video here. If you did enjoy, but stay tuned for the next. I don't know how many parts this is gonna be, but yeah. Hope you like it, and I might end up getting an amplifier for these and then hooking it up to the others. I got no idea because I'm pretty much running out of room for amplifiers right now. Look, I'm running out of room. Plus, same goes with the other one too. Same goes with this one. This also has a crossover in it too. And it's got a tweeter up top. If you look up there, you see the top. That's where the magnet. That's the tweeter. I know, that one's looking a little bit gunky. I might have to put some fresh holes in there by the time I get yeah. Thanks for watching this little coming soon thing. Let's get all of this out. Oh, what was that? I thought I burnt this already. Does it still work? No, it does not. It doesn't work. Oh well. You're fool yourself, man. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Phone speaker. Ooh, garbage.